what's up guys, it's Flexx and welcome back. As you guys know, when I first got this 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300, one of the first mods was installing a carbon fiber spoiler. However, it wasn't really the spoiler I wanted. The one I really wanted was more similar to the one I installed on my Mercedes C250, which was a duck build, but it wasn't so aggressive. Well, in searching online, I finally found one, and I found one made of carbon fiber for a really good price. So yeah, today I'm gonna take off this old spoiler. And you know what? I'm going to give it away as well. I'll leave information in the description below, but I'm going to be installing the brand new carbon fiber spoiler. Here is the brand new trunk spoiler that I got online. Check it out. It actually looks really good. It's carbon fiber. And let me show you the side profile. And before I install it on the car, I need to first clean it with some alcohol and install the double-sided tape to mount it to the trunk. Right here, I'm just going to wipe down the bottom side with some 70% isopropyl alcohol. And now I'm going to line the bottom of the spoiler with some extra strength double-sided tape. Now that the tape is installed, it's ready to go on the car. First, I need to remove the old spoiler. I'm going to use a heat gun and heat up the old double-sided tape. Now I'm going to use a bunch of fishing string and I'm going to saw away at that double-sided tape. And that should release the old spoiler from the trunk. Now after removing the old spoiler, I'm stuck with some old double-sided tape that I need to peel off. This is not too bad since I just installed this spoiler last year. But if there was a bunch of old double-sided tape, what I would use is a drill with a rubber eraser wheel, and that should be able to take everything off the trunk without harming the paint on the trunk of the car. Now I'm going to use some goof off to remove all the extra residue of the double-sided tape. And since this stuff is pretty strong, immediately afterwards, I'm going to wipe it off with some water. To install the new spoiler, I'm going to first grab a nice sharp blade and I'm going to cut in the center of the double-sided tape. And next I'm going to peel back some of the red film to expose the center of the double-sided tape. And then I'm going to use a heat gun to heat up the double-sided tape so it's nice and sticky. So once the spoiler is aligned, I'm going to peel back the red film. Apply pressure to the spoiler so it adheres to the trunk. And that's it. Give it a final wipe down and we're ready to go. Here it is. Check it out, guys. I think that looks pretty good. I really like the carbon fiber on this. Here's a different angle. Here's from the back. As you can see, this is not as aggressive as the other spoiler, but I think it complements the car really well. Yeah, I think that looks really good. So what do you guys think? I like it a lot. I think it's really subtle, but at the same time, it still gives the car that really sporty look. And again, if you want my old spoiler, all the information is gonna be in the description below. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.